Undertakers. Today we're going to do sort of a live video. I can't really go live because my Wi-Fi doesn't work outside enough to give you a good video, so I'm going to record it and try just to go straight from beginning to end with no edits or anything like a live. So if you come on in, I'll show you what we're doing. I've got 5.5 pounds of chicken breast. I've got the Blackstone heated up and it is screaming hot. I've got some pineapple, some broccoli, salt and pepper, a little bit of rub, oil and butter, and some soy sauce. And that's it. So we'll just cook this up real quick. It comes out really good. I did it the other day. I'm going to get the broccoli on here first. I already salt and peppered it before I brought it out. And I've got this burner on kind of medium low, this one on medium, and this one on medium high, where I'm going to have the chicken. And that pineapple. Alright. And this is hot. And I already put a little oil on there, so I'm oiled up. I'm going to put some butter on there before I put the chicken on. And I'm not looking to cook the broccoli to death. I just want to get a little color on it. You'll see it'll turn sort of bright green, but I'm not looking to turn it to mush, so it doesn't take long. Whew. Even though I've done a few cooks on here, I'm still getting used to it. And again, I just got a little chicken rub. Good stuff. And I'm going to hit the pineapple or the broccoli with a little soy sauce. I'll add some to the chicken here in a bit. I cooked the same thing on here the other day and it came out great. I cooked chicken and fried rice on here. I've made burgers a couple times. And so far everything's come out good on there. I'm pretty happy. You can tell my seasoning is a lot better now that I've cooked on it a few times. So far this thing's pretty fun. And I got a new cameraman for this video. So if it comes out bad, I'm going to blame him. A little soy sauce with our chicken. Let's splash on our pineapple. This is pretty simple, pretty basic, but it turns out good. The family likes it a lot. And while this is cooking, let me show you my new setup I've got here. So you guys know from previous videos, I had a cover over the Traeger before. So now I extended the roof and made the whole thing larger so it covers both grills. So now I can work in the shade and out of the rain under both of them. Thanks, Dad. He came over and helped me build this. I got my fancy lights. I put up a little toolbar. It was in the garage meant for rakes and stuff like that, but I put it out here and I use it to hang all my tools on there. So far that's working out pretty good. So I'm still getting used to it, but so far I like it. So my chicken burner is still on high. And hopefully pretty soon I'll be able to break out my fryer that came with this. I haven't got to use it yet. But I'm thinking of stuff. I need a fan under here, it's hot.
That's what I was telling you guys.
Oh no, the air's on, so now you probably won't hear me.
You probably won't use most of this, right?
It's gonna be alive, start to finish, no edits or cuts or nothing.
Oh. Ha 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 ha.
So there, my new cameraman is a talker. I don't know how many people actually watch this from start to finish. Most of them probably watch the beginning and then skip to the end and miss most of the middle, but you never know, there might be a few that'll watch the whole thing. And I know you don't have to, but there's just something about sitting here holding the spatula, you feel like you have to do something all the time. I don't know what to call this video. It's not really live, but it's not going to be like an edited, scripted thing, so it's sort of an in-between. So it's not completely live, I don't know, get in a coma. How long's it been? 10 minutes?
10:41.
Ooh. The chicken will need just a few more minutes and it'll be good to go. A little more soy sauce. Maybe this coming weekend I'll do some breakfast on here. I've got some bacon and some eggs and some chorizo. Maybe some French toast. I've noticed my top up there, that area right up in there is kind of a cooler spot. I'm trying to keep the broccoli and the pineapple separate because my wife's doing a low carb thing, so she can't have the pineapple. It's so fun to tease her with it though, but I know she won't eat it. Make sure my lights and my burners are still going. Oh yeah. Are you getting my dopey outside shoes? Oh, don't show my dopey outside shoes. Alright, I think I'm going to pull that pineapple.
We're totally still going to that Brazilian place for my birthday.
What do you think?
That I do, that I do. It's about to be at 16 minutes.
Okay. We're getting it. It's just about done. Whoop. Broccoli overboard. Clean plate for our cooked chicken. Not back on the plate where it was raw. I don't know what this is going to be like in the summer. It's going to be unbearable next to this thing. They should call these the belly burners.
Get a swamp cooler.
All that heat hits the bottom of that and comes out the front right in your belly. Now I know why most people wear cooking aprons when they use one of these. Alright, let's get that off of there. You know, it doesn't look like much when it's on the griddle, but that's 5.5 pounds of chicken right there. That'll be dinner for 2 days. Ta-da! Alright, now we just gotta clean this thing. So there's our chicken, our pineapple, and our broccoli. Dinner for 2 nights in like 15 minutes. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this new little live format. If you liked it, let me know. We'll try it again. And until then, stay safe out there. I know the lockdown's tough, but gotta do what you gotta do. So stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.